Welcome back to the channel. Today Andy's got himself a new fridge surround, so it's pretty important that the fridge is secure, especially going to somewhere like the Cape, because it's going to be a lot of corrugations and a lot of banging around. So we're going to get stuck into installing a fridge surround today from MW Toolbox. So this is currently what's in there. So he's held it down with just some angle and some screws in it. I mean, it's pretty solid, but this will make it a lot better. So this is the 85 litre MW fridge cage that they make for the Bushmans fridge. It's instructions, Ando. Look at that. They're very, very comprehensive instructions. 3 steps.
I got it wrong.
Right, what have we got? That's the, so
this is packable.
That's the packers. Yeah. You won't need that as much, will you?
I won't need it at all.
What's on the bottom then?
The fridge.
Does the fridge go into that though?
No.
It doesn't, so we don't need that.
Well, how would you open the door then?
No, but what's on the, is there a base? Is that the base?
Where's that piece of paper you just said?
I just gave it to you.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't.
Is
that the top?
One eternity later.
Assemble the cover and put the fridge in. No.
All right, well, let's assemble a cover and put the fridge in.
Where's the bloody, where you,
Come on, Andy.
spanners?
What?
Where are your spanners?
Should be in my toolbox.
Oh, they are in there.
So what we've decided to do is we're just going to build the frame, so we can just put the fridge in it, and then we'll take it off this, bolt this down to the false floor, and then we can just put everything on top, but easier. Is that the plan?
That's the plan. But that way. See how that needs to...
That way?
Yeah, that's where the compressor is.
Yeah.
There we go.
Look at that. It's as if we planned
And
it.
then Allen key that up.
You tighten these tight?
I'm going to tighten them loose.
Good plan. So what we've decided to do is completely redesign the inside of the canopy. We're going to take everything out and start from scratch, because that battery was in a terrible spot. So we're going to get rid of this drawer, get a different drawer, not today, but eventually. Get the fridge in and get the battery in. Is that the plan?
Plan, mate.
That's the plan, mate.
Reckon it's time for a beer?
No. I got to drive.
Where?
Mum to work.
Oh, 1 beer won't hurt.
Not having a, what time is it? Oh, it's 1:45.
Yeah.
Holy dooly, where did it happen?
I was saying, like, beer. I reckon we have beer.
We might have a beer then.
Thank you. $7.50. I guess this drawer will be able to come pretty much right to the edge.
No, because what's the profile on that? How far does that come in? Probably about level with the gas strut, the black part of the glass strut.
So we can go to there.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. That should be enough then.
So it wouldn't be a build without a bunning strip. Screws, we'll need it from Bunnings today. Want to go to the side?
How's that cable looking?
Yeah. Just come forward a bit. That's it. That's good. Looks heaps better.
Yeah, it does.
So that's the MW fridge cage for the 85 litre Bushmans. Looking good. I actually love this case that Andy's got in the front here. I'll have to get myself one of these, but in the meantime, thank you for watching. We'll give a review in a couple of months once Andy's tested it out over the tracks. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.